Facing with G1, followed by drilling with G84. External and internal roughing with G81. For external finishing, the radius compensation on the right is activated with G42, and the contour from the roughing cycle is repeated with G23. The same for interior finishing, except that the tool moves to the left of the contour and G41 must be programmed. Thread turning G31. A wide grooving chisel is used here, and a smaller chisel completes further grooves. After reclamping with G30, the process continues with facing with a C plate. Switch to a D plate for an undercut. Finishing with a 35 degrees V plate, 2 recesses with G86. Finally, a facing recess with G88.